sea to leaf, from sun to rain. The earth has fed my heart again. In every root, her love is found. She gives me life, she brings me ground. Bless this food, bless this earth, all that's given or rebirth, cleansing body, healing soul. Nature's touch makes me whole. Hands in soil, my spirit sings. I feel her pulse in living things. Each fruit I grow, each herb I brew, carries light and love.